Welcome to Lane Credit University. My name is Conrad Lane. Hey, here with my Tesla right in the back. But anyways, I wanted to share how to actually build your credit score fast. Pretty simple answer. Your goal, if you really want to build it fast, first I believe you should build it over the long term by paying your bills on time, which makes 35% of your credit bureau's algorithm. It really brings up your credit score as long as you pay your bills on time, and understanding how to pay your debts on time as well, which is 30% of the credit bureau's FICO score chart. But if you don't want to take your time, or if you want to take your time to build your credit, but you also want to learn the tricks on how to build it exponentially, consider authorized users. Authorized users, or people you know, for example, there are companies out there that you can pay for authorized users. I'll say be very wary, not saying it works or doesn't work, but just be very careful about giving your information to people you don't know. This is a better strategy for people that maybe are part of your family, friends, social network, connections, someone you know, a colleague, friend, boyfriend, girlfriend, brother, sister, husband, wife. You get added to their credit card, and what happens is you inherit their payment history. So make sure they pay their payment, make sure they pay their credit cards on time. But as long as they do, that will build your credit, and it oftentimes also allow you to start being approved for higher lines of credit and higher card limits and higher luxury cars. So say they have an American Express Black card, you probably will start being approved or have a higher chance of the likelihood of being approved for these cards. Nothing's guaranteed 100%, but authorized users. It's pretty simple to do. It's usually for free or for a very small fee to be added to someone's credit card. They don't have to even give you the card if they don't trust you or don't want to risk it. They can just cut the card up and keep it themselves, so they make sure you don't spend it, but you still get the credit as long as you pay their bills on time. This also works in effect if they don't pay their bills on time, then you'll inherit their bad payment history. So make sure it's someone that's responsible, and you'll build your credit. And that's how you start finding people who have better credit than you. And even if they don't have good credit like you, if they have worse credit than you, as long as they pay their bills on time, you still benefit because it's still an extra line of credit that you're getting payment history for. And this is how you build your credit fast. Like, subscribe, share. I'm here with my Tesla right in the back, about to hang out. Carlin out. Peace.